Never married a divorced man. Ladies, if this is the first time for you. His ex-wife, she gonna call him middle of the night. Your child need a diaper. Your child need a formula. Your child need a money. Your child is sick. What time you coming home to see your child? Hello, it's the earthquake happening with the divorced man. Divorced man, he have a problem. They have a big problem. He have a baggage behind him. He have a train behind him. He have a heavy weight on his shoulders. His blade is full. So, be careful and don't waste your time with the divorced man. Bismillah. Can you hear me? Period. Hello? Are you with me? Can you hear me? That's what I'm talking about, babes. Love you all. Let's connect.